Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my coconut rice with sausage and shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1. And go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some seasoning. I also have some mixed vegetable. I also have my shrimp, and this is the cooked shrimp. This is all I have, so I'll go ahead and use that. I also have some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper and parsley flakes. I also have my Kerrygold butter, my hot and spicy sausage. I also have my coconut milk. And I also have my white rice, which I will wash. So what I did, I went ahead and put the pot that I'm going to cook my coconut rice on the stove. Allow it to just heat up a bit. Then I'll go in and add some of the Kerrygold butter. After that, I will go ahead and add the bell pepper, the onion, the scallion, the thyme, the garlic and the Scotch bonnet pepper. And you want to get all of that flavor from the seasoning. So what I'll do, I'll just allow it to just fry up for roughly a minute or two. But we don't want it to be too soft. And I will also go in and add the all-purpose seasoning, the black pepper and the parsley flakes. And this is really easy and simple, guys. You don't have to add anything, no meat to this. Really easy. So you can just go ahead and have your coconut rice with the shrimp and the sausage, and that's about it. So I went ahead and add the coconut milk, and of course you have to allow our coconut milk to cook. So I'll just allow the coconut milk to cook for 5 minutes, then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, my coconut milk cooked. So now it's time to go ahead and add the mixed vegetable. And you can go ahead and add more of the mixed vegetables, but I'm just using what I have. Alright. I will also go in and add the sausage. And if you want to add more sausage, you can go in and add more sausage also. If you want to add more shrimp, you can go in and add more shrimp. As I said before, this is the cooked shrimp. This is all I have, so I will just utilize whatever I have in my fridge. I will also go in and add the rice. Then I will combine the rice and everything together, because we don't want anything to settle on one side, so we have to combine everything together. Then what I will do, I'll just go ahead and allow this to cook. Once it's cooked down, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right. Alright guys, so this is what my coconut rice looks like. So it's all cooked down now. So what I will do, I'll just go ahead and add a piece of foil paper over this. Just allow it to steam so that it has that shelliness to my rice, because I love my shelly rice. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to steam. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this takes roughly about 10 minutes and I'm out of the kitchen. Really easy and simple. So this is it, guys. This is my coconut rice with shrimp and sausage. So I'll just go ahead and remove the thyme, because we don't want to serve it up with the thyme. So I'll just go ahead and remove that and plate this up and show you guys the final product. All right. If you just to note, if you're cooking more rice, then it will take a longer time. All right. So go ahead and check out the description box for all of the recipe for this awesome coconut rice with shrimp and sausage, and go ahead and try it out and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen. So in a minute, I will show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my coconut rice with shrimp and sausage. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye!